What a catch. Number 2 on the catch.
Man up, man up, man up.
Interception. Yeah. Go, baby. Take it to the house. Take it to the house. Wide open. Take it to the house. Yeah. Count him up.
Number 2. Number 2 on the touchdown. I think that's Damon Webb from number 4.